Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Ultra 2 and I'm going to show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the back button. Once you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. In the meantime, we can go to our iPhone we want to pair our watch with. Make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp with 2 P's at the end and search. And you should see this application, Zepp, with this icon. Install it. Okay, this might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done installing. Okay, the application is done installing, so we can continue. We can open it. In the app, if you see the pop-up about the notification permissions, you can allow it or deny it. It's not required, but if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you will need to allow it. And then you will need to log in into Zepp account or AMAZFIT account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on sign up right here, make a new account and use it to log in. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on login, enter the email address and password. Okay, it should be correct. If not, we're gonna fix it. But it was correct, and as you can see, after you log in, you will see more pop-ups about the permissions. Next, we have location. You can allow it or deny it. Then we have the Bluetooth one. This one is required. So if you see pop-up about it, tap on allow. And finally, we can continue. And we can tap on device. And now let's go to our watch. Tap on the language you want to use on your watch. So basically scroll through the list, look for the language, tap on it to select it. Then press the select button and you will see the QR code on the screen. We need it to pair the devices. So now tap on the watch in the app. Tap on agree. Allow the required permission. It will open the camera app on your iPhone. And what you need to do is to point your iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, it will start pairing the devices. So tap on pair. You can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Next. And here we have some permissions again. You can allow them or skip them if you want to. I'm gonna enable all of them for the sake of the video. Oh, here we can select the contact basically to add it to the contact list on the watch. So let's say I just want this one. Okay, then we have the calendar sync. This is useful if you want to see the notifications from the calendar on your watch. Then we have the Wi-Fi. We can set up the Wi-Fi connection on our watch. You can also skip it, of course, but let's add the network. Let's say this one, enter the password for it. Okay. And once you enter the password and tap on connect, it will say connected. Then we can set up the activity goals. You can change the goals right here. And you have based on calories, based on steps. Then we have the reminders, and we can enable them and disable them. And finally, you can tap on done, and you should see the watch on the device page. And if you go to your watch, press select, to skip this, or you can adjust the text size. I just leave it at default usually. You should be able to use your watch, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.